Now we discuss the properties of the ideal fluid. If we have ideal fluid, what will have its property? First property for the discuss of the ideal fluid is the incompressible flow. The density of the fluid, the density of the fluid has a constant value throughout the fluid. Second one is irrotational flow. The fluid motion is steady, do not change with time. Third property is non-viscous flow. There is no internal friction between the adjacent layer of the fluid. The fluid constant velocity. The fluid moves with without turbulence. Ideal fluid is imaginary and do not exist in nature.